Alright. So today we are unboxing the Mantis X Plus. So there is 3 ways you can unbox a scooter. The first way, you just do it from the top. The second way, you do it from the bottom. If you have a big old knife like this one, you just rip the whole bottom and then you remove everything. That's kind of hard, but the way that I like to do it is by tilting the box and cut the tape here and then open both sides. See, you open everything, put the knife down. I just lift this side, boom, bend it, and then you flip it back. Okay, so the reason why I like to do it like that is because I'm not gonna have to lift the scooter. The scooter will already be in its box, and voila, you unbox your scooter. And ironically, I just unfolded the scooter as well, but we don't need that right now. You can fold it back. And we have some tools here. If you open it from the top, you'll find the charger cord, the toolkit, and then these are to cover the bolts. And that is the charger. And you also find a book of the Kaabo Mantis X Plus. One more thing is the logo. Let's see if it has it here. Yeah, it doesn't have the logo on the stem, so they send you this logo so you can put it in. If you have your own logo, you can also put it there. So now let's put it together. All right. That was easy. First, let me get rid of the box. Clean, beautiful. It's very easy to mount the handlebar. You just have to find the right key. I think it's gonna be a 5mm. Easy. You just remove the 4 screws with the 5mm X key and voila, you just put that one here. You remove that. Very good. Let's put the last screw so we can secure the handlebar so we can go on a ride on the scooter. All right, let's tighten it up. Now let's check out the screen. One more important thing, this little wire here, you need to connect it. I believe that's probably the power. Like so, and should turn on now. Okay, so when you turn on the Mantis X Plus, you see the NFC screen. It means that you need the key fob that you can totally unlock the scooter. You just use it right here, you tap it, and then your scooter is ready to ride. But as you guys can see, you can notice there is a P here. The P means that it's on parking mode, and if you try to use the throttle, it's not gonna do anything, so you have to press the brakes. You can see it's disappearing. Now if I tap the trigger, it's gonna activate. So I'm not gonna do that because I just wanna talk about the screen right now. This screen is a vibrant 4-inch color display. It offers bright, readable interface even in direct sunlight thanks to the anti-glare technology. And like I just showed you guys, that is the smart NFC lock feature. Enables tap to unlock operation, adding convenience and theft protection. And one of the cool part about this scooter, it includes a 5V 2A USB-C to keep your phone or GPS powered on the go. And as you guys can see here, the clear ride metrics, it's gonna display the speed, the battery, miles, everything, and it's IPX7 waterproof. Now our handlebar is fully mounted, so let's take it out of the box. Easy. That's it. That's how I take it out of the phone. Let's remove that plastic. And just like this, you have the beautiful Mantis X Plus. Let's remove that bubble wrap. Let's go for a ride. The Mantis X Plus is a power and performance dual 500-watt motor scooter, delivering up to 31 miles per hour top speed and excellent hill climbing ability up to 25-degree climbing angle. It's a long-range scooter because of its 48-volt, 18.2 amp-hour battery, offering up to 46 miles range on a single charge. Perfect for commuting and long weekend rides. You can comfortably ride the Mantis X Plus with safety because of its max load capacity of 265 pounds. Elevate your ride with the Mantis series best suspension system, customized for 15 adjustments adjustable damping settings for a smooth ride on city streets and rugged trails. Experience ultimate comfort and control. The Mantis X Plus is a weather-ready scooter because of its IPX7 rated waterproof display and IPX5 scooter body that give you confidence to ride, rain or shine. One of the best things about the Mantis X Plus is the feature of detachable motors for easy maintenance and repair. This innovation makes servicing quick and hassle-free, ensuring your scooter stays in top condition. Remember, the Mantis X Plus is a Kaabo built scooter renowned for durability, high-grade materials, and rider-focused engineering. As you guys can see, it was a really nice ride. I was so excited to ride the scooter. I was going 10-15 miles an hour because when Kaabo sends you the scooter, it has a speed limitation. You have to unlock the speed limitation. And I'm like, I'm just gonna chill, you know, show you the ride. So let me know in the comment what you like about the scooter. Like, subscribe, and follow Kaabo USA everywhere on social media. Until next time, ride safe. Let's go.